Hey everyone, Allison Berger here, and today I'm going to share with you all the different ways that I remove my makeup. So if you want to see how I do that, and we're gonna do it a few times in this video, keep on watching to see the products that I use. Elemis Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm is a way to remove your makeup with this aromatic cleansing balm. It smells very good. I was ready to have you smell it too. So we take a little bit of it and you put it onto your skin dry, and we're gonna massage the balm into my skin. And it smells so good. And this balm is going to loosen all the makeup particles to cleanse my face. So with my washcloth that has warm water on it, I'm now gonna make this, and it becomes a milky formula that takes off the rest of my makeup and all of my red flaws in between. I've been breaking out. You can see how it really removes your makeup and it leaves your skin feeling hydrated and really cleansed. The smell is amazing, and when you're rubbing it into your skin, it's really a great scent, and you can tell it's cleaning your skin at the same time. My skin feels really fresh and clean, and that's what we want when we remove our makeup. Another way I remove makeup is Kogendo's Cleansing Spa Water. We are going to take off this foundation that is obviously not the right shade for me because I'm testing out colors right now. So I take this cleansing spa water and I put it on a cotton swab just like this, and it will remove this shade and your makeup. So good for your skin, and it's really mild, vegan, it's cruelty-free, and you don't even need to rinse afterwards. It will just leave your skin feeling fresh. It won't strip your skin, so you'll still be feeling hydrated and clean, and it'll even remove waterproof makeup, which is great. And I feel refreshed and cleansed, and it's all here. Nice, easy makeup wipes. These are from CVS. Neutrogena makes ones that are great as well. Really lightweight and good on your skin. But usually when I use a wipe, I wash my face afterwards. And that's the same thing with my Biore charcoal cleansing water. I use this to remove makeup at times, and then I'll wash my face afterwards. Even though this one as well says there's no need to rinse, when I use this, I feel like I need to rinse afterwards. Yeah, so these are the different ways that I remove makeup. We have water, we have wipes, we have cleansing balm, we even have a cleansing spa water. So there's so many different ways to do it. But what is great about these two products is that they are now available in my Macy's storefront. So if you want to try these out for yourself, head on down to that link in my bio and check out my storefront. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm fun sized.